After a full facelift, the important things are that you avoid any and all nicotine. So don't be around anybody who's smoking. Don't go to a casino. Avoid nicotine because you want to keep your skin alive. Avoid ice because the ice can also kill your skin, so don't ice anything. Take it easy because I don't want you bleeding after the surgery, which would create a hematoma, which can further injure the skin. So take it easy, take your blood pressure medicine, take your pain medicine, and do your best to sit and sleep with your head above your heart. It will reduce the venous pressure in your face to further minimize bleeding, bruising, and swelling. We will remove the drains from your face the day or two after surgery. I will remove the dressing from your face a day or two after surgery. Once the dressing is removed, I don't want you to wear anything on your face that would create pressure for at least 1 week. After 1 week, I may put you in another garment to help increase the resolution of the swelling. However, initially the skin is too fragile for any additional compression, in my opinion. So for that first week, I have you wear no garments on your face. Keep the incisions clean with warm soapy water and moist with Aquaphor or bacitracin. You can shower and wash your hair the day after surgery if you'd like to keep everything clean. When you're done washing your face and your hair, apply bacitracin or Aquaphor ointment to the incisions to keep them moist. The black nylon sutures in front of your ear will be removed after 5 days. The sutures behind your ear will dissolve, and if there is any other staples back here in your hair, they will be removed after 10 to 14 days. I always like to use staples within the hair-bearing scalp because it creates less risk or a lower risk for bald spots or alopecia compared to sutures. If you're feeling up to it, you can exercise 1 week after a facelift. 3 weeks after a facelift, if all the incisions have healed up nicely, you can go swimming and go underwater. If all you had done was a facelift, the bruising and swelling will be mostly subsided by 10 to 14 days. I want you to sleep with your neck extended, so don't sleep with a bunch of pillows that would make your neck flexed, which would cause a bunch of bunching of skin. Do your best to sleep with no pillows so that your head is more extended, which will help your neck stay tighter. To learn more, check out our website where you can upload your photos and concerns as a virtual consult. You can also check out our price estimator to get pricing information for all the various procedures we offer. And finally, if you'd like to have your questions answered on a future podcast or Q&A video session like this, please leave a message on our SpeakPipe. You can go to our blog page and our SpeakPipe is located there. Thanks for listening.